Ni mururungano uri utafanĩirio gũkũ mũciĩ mũnene wa Nairobi, ari mururungano tari wa mutugo, ataramu a gĩkĩro kĩa engineers makĩyumĩria barabara-inĩ na kĩrĩro kĩmwe kĩa wagi wa mawĩra. Rungu rwa ngwatanĩro ya kĩbũrũri ya engineers ya IEK, engineers aya macũngĩrĩrio kwĩyumĩria na kwĩyaria makiuga thirikari nĩwe cũngĩrĩrie thĩna ũyũ kuona ĩkoretwo ĩgĩthukĩra tabarĩra cia ũthii wa nambere kũrĩ makambuni na engineers a kuma nja ya bũrũri, gũkũ engineers a gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ makĩigwo ihugo.
Many infrastructure projects being done in Kenya are without involvement of Kenya engineers. The foreign firms that are doing these jobs do not employ Kenyan engineers, and those few they employ, they do not pay them, as they pay the experts. Please intervene so that with over 50% unemployment rate, Kenyan engineers are engaged in infrastructure projects being undertaken in this country.
Shama Kiteme ni president wa ngwatanĩro ĩno gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ agĩtarĩria atĩ engineers a Kenya nĩo hĩgĩrĩru na mawĩra maya otaru nao kuma nja ya bũrũri, rĩu makĩendekithia watho ũrũmĩrĩrwo na gwĩtĩkĩria o gĩcunjĩ kĩnini gĩa kandarathi cia thirikari kũheanagwo na nja.
Every road infrastructure project where a resident engineer is required, no resident engineer shall take more than one project as a resident engineer. We have done our assignments and know that this will create 1,500 meaningful jobs for engineers in the road sector. The law expects 75% of the employment opportunities to be reserved for Kenyans, while 20% of senior management roles should also be reserved for Kenyans. As we speak here at Talanta Stadium, there are plumbers, electricians, and other technicians who are Chinese, while Kenyans have the same abilities.
Muthia amendekithia mao makinyu wabici-inĩ cia ministry ya ũgitĩri wa thĩinĩ na wabici ya president, makĩũria president William Ruto kũrũmĩrĩra kĩranĩro gĩake gĩa ica ikuhĩ gĩa gũtigĩrĩra nĩ makuruhanio tabarĩra-inĩ cia thirikari.
Our problem is with the rogue ones that are mistreating Kenyan engineers, and we are strongly persuaded that the Ministry of Interior through the State Department of Immigration can help address the sorry state, the plight of our engineers, our members working in various firms that are actually being subjected to abuse and they are being misused.
Mine is to assure you that your petition has been received by the government of Kenya and in particular the Ministry of Interior, and the communication on a positive way forward shall ensue.
Haruini ya Kameme TV, Retorako ni Bataru wa Mwagi.